Hey guys, it's me Reagan, and what is up? I'm gonna make slime. Oh, by the way, my mom's back there making some pizza. I'm gonna make slime. So what you need to make slime is a big giant bowl, or like a bowl, a spoon. You definitely need some baking soda. Contact solution. And 2 bottles of glue. And food coloring's optional. And food. Mommy, can you put the food coloring down? It's up there, but I don't want neon. I want regular. There's regular behind there.
No, there's not.
Oh, whatever. Wait, actually, yeah, there is.
I mean, if you can get up there and get it, then get it.
Ow. Mommy, stay in here. What? Found it, Mommy.
Hello? What? Alright, thank you.
Okay, I'm back. So, got food coloring, which is glue. Alright, so it's time to pour my glue.
Yeah.
So, by the way, I'm making it like. Mommy, where are you going? Oh, yeah. Okay, pour my glue. I got one bottle down. Pouring the rest into your bottle as you see there's a little bit more. So. Mommy, and you thanked, and you thought he was calling for yelling. Okay, now see, adding the food coloring. It could be optional, guys. I'm going to do a blue food coloring, so I'm just going to add in 2 drops for now. Dang, I actually accidentally added in 3, but oh well. I don't really like a little habit color, guys. So it looks really dark on camera, but just because it is like so bright. Because we're definitely going to be going in and adding some more glue. So make sure you don't add any ingredients yet if you guys are making it with me, guys. So it's more glue. Adding the more glue. The more glue, the better the slime is. Or the more of the slime, there's more slime. So just just gonna kind of really. And guys, yes, it is very bubbly, and I do not like when this stuff is bubbly. I'm making it clear right now, guys.
Oh, hold on a second. My internet's not on, I don't think. Make sure it's on.
You guys hear this? Wait, no.
Should be good now.
It's blue slime here. I'm just gonna do this.
There we go. Oh, hold on. I have 3 coins to collect.
So guys, this little bit of glue definitely made it a lot lighter. I really like it. Now when I scoop it, it makes everything darker.
Try to take a gander real quick. It's the same as your Facebook, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
Now I'm gonna count this one up.
I love it. It's one of my favorite pictures.
So I'm gonna add in a red.
I already did. It says it's waiting for you. There you go.
Okay.
Oh wait, now I'm here. I'm still here. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing?
Okay, so I accidentally added in 4. So I'm making it purple, by the way, guys. It's gonna be like a really, really dark purple. And I really want blue, back to blue. So guys, this is super duper dark. It looks like it's black, but trust me guys, it is purple. And the sides are basically pink, and I gotta get this last to be. So I'm gonna add in my contact solution. I'm gonna see if I add in the contact solution, if see that, right? If I add in my contact solution, if it would make a slime or not. I know that I did that last time because I wanted to make a regular slime, but it wouldn't do it. So that's probably not gonna do it at this time, but guys, it looks like liquid candy, guys. Like, it so looks like, what does it look like? Oh my god. Looks so good. I feel like I just want to eat it. Looks like a candy, like you know the candy that they make? It's like monster. That's kind of what it looks like. I'll put it this way. So guys, you guys see this color? This is the color, guys. This is super duper dark. But you know what, guys? It's a darker on camera. So trust me, guys, it is kind of more lighter, but that's the color is definitely purple.
I don't really, is that good?
So,
I'm not really good at those. I don't really know how to do them. Oh my god, I almost got it.
okay. This is always really hard to open. So. Okay, guys, it is not making slime at all, but I've got to add in the baking soda. So I'm going to add in more of this.
Oops.
Go
I do
with-
good and then I miss like a stupid one. What?
Guys, I think it is becoming slime. It's just becoming liquidy, so I'm going to add in my baking soda now. Uh-oh, it's like filled to the tippy-tippy-dip. So guys, you never know, guys. This might be actually a fail. Because usually my slimes are fails sometimes. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry if this is a fail, but Oh, it looks like it's coming to slime, so it's not going to be a fail this time.
I'm not very good at these.
It's like the first time in like a while that I made slime without it failing.
I'm not very good at these ones either.
Perfect, guys. It is coming into slime.
Oh, man.
So it's not fail, and I feel it, guys. And guys, you guys see it is coming into slime. So I'm really excited. And it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker to mix.
Okay,
It's still pretty sticky. But it comes off really easily.
Really?
Contacts.
Really? You're going to put it right there? That's where you're going to put it?
Okay. Guys, this is it is clear. But since I added in some white stuff, it kind of made it so it's not. Okay. This is it, guys. This.
Whenever it says bird has the ball in the end, it like makes me laugh because do you know the towns in Lancaster is like bird in hand? Yeah. Oh, it makes me do like laugh because it sounds like that.
So I gotta keep on adding it in until it turns into slime. But it's slime right now, guys. It's just super duper sticky. So I probably have to add in more contact solution. But it feels so weird mixing slime because like it's all mixed. It's all together. Oh yes, guys. It's a slime success, guys. See it? Alright, I'm gonna be needing.
These guys, this is like the good old days. Nah, it's better
Yeah,
now.
putting this in my bag that I have that I don't need anymore. Guys, this is like super duper sticky, guys. You gotta add in more of something because it's too sticky to try adding contact solution, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna add in. I feel like the contact solution just keeps on making it even more sticky. Guys, this is slime that's not fluffy, so I mean it kind of feels a little bit of fluff, but you didn't add anything in it to make it fluffy, so it's not really actually fluff, but it feels like it's fluffy, but it's not. So guys, you know, after 6 hours of fluffy slime, how it loses some of its fluff. Well guys, this is not fluffy slime, this is regular slime. Just gotta add in some baking soda just to mix it in. So guys, this is like the perfect slime. I love this slime. It is sticky, but not too sticky, but I really, really like it. Actually, it's a lot sticky, so I'm going to add some contact solution or something. Oh, thank God it won't hurt your eyes because it's contact solution and you use it for your eyes. So. Guys, this is perfect, guys. This is the perfect slime I ever made in my whole entire life. This is not fluffy, but it's not regular. Guys, this is the perfect slime. And you know when it like, you know when fluffy slime, like if you stretch it, like it goes like this, and you have to keep on doing that, but it gets hard. This slime does not do that, and it actually kind of like turned out liking this color. And guys, this is what happens when it's clear slime. It goes out clear. Guys, this is the perfect slime, guys. I love this slime so much. What if I added like more baking soda, which I'm supposed to do, but. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video on making slime, guys. This is the perfect slime ever. I love it so much. I'm just going to mix in the baking soda. So I'm mix in the baking soda before we go. And guys, this is the perfect slime. Like, it makes perfect poking noises. All my friends would probably like this because they love poking noises. And then here, so look at that, guys. And you know how some slimes go away? This slime does not, see, like, that was my first one, and it's not gone a little bit. Guys, this is a sign you're in the purpleness. Okay. This is it. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. But yeah, guys, this is perfect. This perfect one I ever made. And this one smells kind of good. Like, it smells like nothing, so probably it smells kind of good. So, yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and leave a like and subscribe if you guys like slime. Super cool, guys. So, guys, bye.